Hello everyone, welcome to SomVerse English podcast. This channel is all about learning English in a simple and fun way. Here, you will improve your speaking, listening, vocabulary, and daily conversations step by step. If you want to speak English confidently, you are in the right place. We upload easy English lessons, real-life conversations, and useful expressions for beginners. So relax, enjoy the podcast, and let's learn English together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this channel with your friends. Let's get started. Ear Beginners English Podcast. Welcome to SomVerse English. Today's story is simple and easy for beginners. Ali is a young student. He lives in a small town with his family. Every morning, he wakes up at 6 o'clock. He washes his face, eats breakfast, and goes to school. Ali loves learning English. He watches English videos every day. Sometimes, he listens to English podcasts at night. One day, Ali meets a new friend at school. His name is Tom. Tom says, "Hello, how are you?" Ali smiles and says, "I am fine, thank you." They talk together every day. Now Ali feels more confident speaking English. The lesson of this story is, practice every day and never be afraid to speak English. Thank you for listening to SomVerse English Podcast. See you in the next episode.